Okay, so we are back to do some application style questions. So putting these into word problems and seeing if we can apply them. Again, the concept is quite clear if you just think about flipping and kissing. So just basic information that we're going to need for this one. So Carrie's building a model. Is building a model. And the model is on a board that is 9/10 of a foot, okay? And he wants to cut it into 15 equal pieces, okay? How long is each piece gonna be? So, what do we think we need to do? So he wants to take his 9/10 and cut it into 15 equal pieces. So we're gonna take our 9/10 of a foot and we're gonna divide it by 15. Well, we know that 15 needs to be 15 over 1. So we're gonna keep working through this. We're gonna flip it, 9/10 times 1 over 15. 9 over 150. Can we reduce it? Yes, we should be able to reduce it, right? Because 3 goes into 9 and 3 goes into 15. So we're going to reduce it by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 150 is 50. So it's each one is going to be 3/50ths of a foot. Okay? So again, we just take the information that we're given, we take the first number, we divide it by the amount that we're going to do. Let's try one again. Let's do this one. Let's pick somebody in the class who I haven't. Nilla is needs to measure 3.5 cups. But she's using a 1/2 cup measurement spoon. So how many times will she need to fill the, 1/2 cup up, okay? So we have the idea that it's 3.5 cups, that's our total amount. We want to divide them by 1/2 cup. So we're gonna go 3 1/2 divided by 1/2 cup. First stage is, that's right, to turn it into an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have 7 over 2 divided by 1/2. Our next line, flip, that's right. 7 over 2 times 2 over 1. Our next line is 14 over 2. Now, we could, I'm just going to erase this for a second. Because we're in multiplication, what we could do at this point is we could use the cross-off method, right? I know this is coming back to something we talked about last class, but we totally use the cross-off method. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 2 once. So instead of it being 14 over 2 and then me having to reduce it, why don't I just reduce it right now and have 7 over 1? So that 7 over 1 means that she's going to have to fill it up 7 times. Okay? Oops, I don't know why I put the... So how many times is she going to have to fill up the 1/2 cup? She's going to fill up 7 times. Okay, let's do another one. This one's a little bit more challenging, so let's get a new board. So Mr. Burger's cooking turkey, and he's cooking for 4.5 hours. Okay, but I'm checking in on it every, I'm going to do this in a different color. I'm checking in on it every 1/3 of an hour, okay? So the total amount of time that I'm cooking for is 4.5 hours. I'm checking it every 1/3 of an hour. So how many times will I check on it before it's cooked. Okay, so this one I want you guys to try on your own. Take a pause and then come back when you think you are completed. Okay, go. Okay, so you're back. Let's see how you guys did. So we have, let's do 4 1/2 divided by 1/3. Turn it into an improper fraction, right? So let's turn it into an improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9/2 divided by 1/3. Let's flip this second part. 9/2 times 3/1. Do we have any opportunities to cancel out? Doesn't look like it. So we'll just do the math. 9 times 3 is 20.